Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick unboxing video for the JerryRigEverything utility knife. You can purchase the knife for $20 US, but at the time of the recording, the knife is on sale for $10. Now let's do the unboxing. Got the blade, replacement blade, and look at that. So just quickly slap it open, and you press this, and it will just go back. And this is the belt clip. Yeah, very easy. And this is to replace the blade. Quick switch. Easy peasy. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Ciao.